ATD Tools, shop stool with a checker design. This stool is great for the shop, garage, basement, bar, and much more. It has a padded seat that can swivel 360 degrees with a diameter of 14 1/4 inches. The stool has chrome-plated steel legs for strength and durability. The stool has a weight capacity of 330 pounds. Also, it has a height of 28 3/8 inches tall. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of ATD products, please visit atdtools.com.